which way it goes.
A little bit of that.
I don't.
Hey you, I think you should know. Hey you, I'm feeling it so.
I thought they'd be hidden in here. It kind of fools you. Far without food and water. Then turn around and.
I don't know how far that is.
How far is that, sir?
I'm sorry?
How far is?
To the summit of the peak, the mountain.
Well, how much can you walk? Did you walk like around
I
an hour?
went to the top of the mountain. So
Oh my! How long did it take you?
I've been going for about 4 hours.
Oh no!
No, I'm just trying to find a good area where the wind hasn't knocked the leaves off.
Yeah, just.
Better show. Hey you, no time to be slow. I do think you're here. There's nothing to fear. Hey you, I'm with you. I see you, I hear you. Hey you, I'm with you. I miss you.
Why don't you give it to your friend and he can plane it up?